Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Cube iWork 10, a tablet for work and a bit for play. This device is a dual OS slate and we're also unboxing it together with its keyboard. It's sold separately and you can find the Cube iWork 10, a dual OS tablet, on Banggood.com, priced at $169.99, but we have a special coupon with a price cut, so you can get 20% off the price mentioned before. The coupon can be found in the description of this video. Now this is what the tablet looks like. It's got a 10-inch Full HD IPS LCD screen and it's called the Cube iWork 10. Okay, so let's fire it on, and while it's getting fired on, we'll also unbox its keyboard, sold separately as the original magnetic keyboard on Banggood.com for $54.29. So putting the tablet aside, we start to actually unbox it. And by the way, you can choose between Windows and Android on this device. So Windows or Android, it's selected Windows. Okay, so inside the box of the slate, we got your USB cable, but surprise, surprise, is actually USB Type-C to USB. We got the user manual here, and we got your warranty card, plus the USB OTG cable, the all-important one used to attach dongles and other things, and finally the charger. In the meantime, the tablet has booted, and this device can actually be used in multiple modes. It has a stand mode, it has a tent mode, a laptop mode, and right now it's running on Windows 10. You can play with Cortana on it, and we also have a tablet mode available here. We can download stuff from the Windows Store, we can install exe apps and play around with Office. In the meantime, let's see the keyboard. So this is a stylish magnetic keyboard priced at $54, and it's tailor-made for the tablet. The first impression, it resembles a lot the keyboards I used to see with the ASUS transformer pad tablets. If you remember them, that's the vibe I'm getting here. Pretty well spaced. We got this trackpad here, and the connector area is also very similar to what we saw on the ASUS transformer pads a couple of years ago. Okay, so connection happens via the pins and via those special areas. Okay, so it's connected, and now we can actually start using this little mouse here and entering Microsoft Edge, for example, or going here, or whatever else you want to do. And then you can close it up like a laptop, use it like a tablet, use it like a laptop, whatever you want. Now on the connectivity side, we got here micro SD card slot, USB Type-C, micro USB 2.0, micro HDMI, and audio jack. Now let's open up the device, talk a bit about the hardware, and in the meantime also boots to Android if possible. So we're dealing with a 10.1-inch IPS Full HD tablet that comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It's powered by the pretty powerful CPU Intel Atom X5 Z8350, and if you want to go to Android, you simply restart and then you pick your OS. Now on the camera front, we got a 2-megapixel shooter at the front, 2-megapixel shooter at the back. There's Wi-Fi BGN, there's Bluetooth 4.0, USB Type-C, micro USB, micro SD, micro HDMI. There is a 7,500 mAh battery inside, and the whole thing, here we go, Android. Okay, the whole thing measures 8mm in thickness and weighs 616 grams. Not bad for a 10-incher with all this power. It's more versatile thanks to the keyboard. It can turn into a tent, laptop, and so forth. You can see the examples here. So we got the 120 degrees, tablet, laptop, stand, and tent for presentations, video watching, and so forth. Okie dokie. So that's about it, and the design is processed via CNC cut. We got Intel HD Graphics Generation 8, OTG support for mice and keyboards, and we have 2 speakers which have been included here on the side. One speaker and the other speaker here. Finally, we're booting into Android. It's Android 5.1 working in tandem with Windows 10, so not bad at all, for a mere $169, reduced by 20% once you apply the coupon code we mentioned. Okay, so we're on Android right now. We're enjoying the widgets, we got the apps, quite a fluid experience, and the screen seems reasonably bright at first sight. So this has been the unboxing of the Cube iWork 10 together with its associated keyboard sold separately. We'll be back with a full review very soon. This is it from Tablet-News.com. Bye bye.